The Activator technique is a very safe, effective chiropractic treatment that involves no twisting, popping, or cracking. We are able to produce long-lasting change in your posture, health, and function utilizing the Activator adjusting tool. People are often surprised at how effective this treatment is, but it does have a significant impact on your health despite its gentle nature. Activator works by improving joint mobility, realigning structure, and by activating your nervous system to help your body send and receive proper signals. This is one of the many techniques we utilize at Cadence Chiropractic.